How to create a Lyft account. If you have just downloaded the Lyft app and want to create an account, tap on the Lyft app and you'll see your home screen something like this. Tap on Get Started and first you have to go and verify your phone number. Then go ahead and select any one of your email accounts and select your first and last name, then tap on Next. Here, the app will again tell you to verify your email, so just simply tap on Next. And here, you can read the terms of service of Lyft, and after you're done reading, simply tap on Agree and tap on Next. Then you can allow Lyft to send you notifications according to your preference. I'll not allow it, and it will ask how would I like to pay. So you can use a PayPal or credit or debit card. Simply choose any one according to your preference, and after you've selected your preference, your Lyft account is ready to be used. So this is some few steps that you can follow to create a Lyft account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And I'll see you guys next time.